5-minute guide to meditation for removing negative thoughts. Welcome to this 5-minute guide to meditation for removing negative thoughts. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down, close your eyes, and let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold for a moment. Exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Repeat this deep breathing 2 more times, allowing yourself to relax more with each breath. Focus on your feet. Notice any sensations and allow them to relax. Gradually move your focus up through your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, shoulders, arms, neck, and face. With each breath, release any remaining tension and feel your body becoming more relaxed. Take a deep breath, let go of all tension, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Bring your attention to your mind. Notice any negative thoughts that may be present. Observe these thoughts without judgment. Acknowledge their presence, but do not engage with them. Imagine these thoughts as clouds in the sky, drifting away as you continue to breathe deeply. Picture a gentle stream flowing in front of you. Imagine placing each negative thought onto a leaf and letting it float away down the stream. Watch as the leaves carrying your negative thoughts drift further and further away until they disappear from sight. Feel a sense of lightness and relief as you let go of these thoughts. Silently repeat a positive affirmation to yourself, such as, I release negativity and embrace positivity, or I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. Feel the positive energy of these words filling your mind and body. Gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take one final deep breath in and exhale completely. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and clear-minded. Thank you for taking this time to clear your mind of negative thoughts. Remember, you can return to this practice anytime you need to find peace and positivity. Have a wonderful day.